Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set 3-button navigation in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Scroll down. Go to System Navigation. If you want to set 3-button navigation in your Android phone, you just have to press here. And from here, you can choose the icon. That's it. So this is how to set 3-button navigation in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.